Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is May 24th, 2016, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the economic calendar first, we've got a couple of numbers coming out, 11 a.m. South African time. We have a German ZWI number coming out, and that's coming out at 11 a.m. So that should affect the euro. And then simultaneously, a GBP inflationary number coming out. So just a couple numbers coming out today. So looking at the markets, we're looking at the Euro USD flatlining at this 112.14. As you can see here, we dipped a little bit below 112, but you see that it's really been very flat for Monday. Not much volatility, but this could be a catalyst for it going up higher as the week progresses. Just keep an eye on it. As soon as it starts picking up and volatility starts picking up, maybe we'll get some momentum on the upside. So not a bad spot for it to be right now if you want to be picking for a long direction. Looking at the Euro USD, we breached this 72 level. We're now following further down to 0.71. I think we could still hit to 0.7123, and that would be a good spot for it to actually bounce off of. But still, it has retraced tremendously from its strength of 0.78 all the way, making a 1,000 pip move, and then retracing somewhat halfway is quite normal. So altogether, some volatility in the Aussie USD. Looking at the gold, as we can see here, gold really on that level of 1246. Let's see if it holds. It looks like it wants to go further down. Maybe we'll hit 1215, and Fred could finally pick this up on the long and to hold it going forward. So, I would love for it to go even to 1178, but I think we're a little bit too far ahead of ourselves right now in order to say that that's going to actually happen. I mean, this hasn't really breached to the point that I could say that it's going to go to 1215, but keep an eye on this because we're right there on the threshold. I mean, we're there on the threshold with the Euro USD, we're there on the threshold with the gold. So these are major plays for potentially either a nice bounce or a nice breaking further down and then taking some more retracements. So looking at the Dow Jones, very quiet day yesterday, almost unchanged on the day. As you can see here, since our correction towards the end of last week, we haven't done much. I mean, we've been in a pretty tight range here between 50 points, so nothing really to write home about. I would love for it to see it to bounce a little bit as we enter this election year. Usually an election year is quite positive and the markets respond positively to it, but let's see what's going on. Some geopolitical issues internationally, but that's another story. Looking at oil right here, we're trading at 47.74, retracing a little bit from 49, selling off a little bit from yesterday. But again, nothing to really write home about a big retracement. It looks like it's holding. It looks like it wants to go up higher. But keep an eye on it to see how it unfolds. And if you see any sort of breaking out, either on the upside or the downside, you'll be able to catch it soon enough if you have it on your radar. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.